We're freezer prepping one of my family's favorites, Mississippi chicken. Let me show you how I do it. I like to add carrots and onion to mine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prep the carrots. I also use baby carrots, but I only have about maybe 1/3 of a bag. I'm gonna cut a big carrot also. I'm gonna prep my onion, and I'm gonna cut this big because my husband does not like onion. Now that all my veggies are washed, I'm gonna dump them into a big bowl. You can do this right in the bag, but I'm gonna separate this into 2 meals since I'm only cooking for my husband and I. And then I'm gonna add a little over 2 pounds of chicken. I just chunk my chicken up kind of big. You don't have to cut it into little pieces because we're gonna cook it in the crock pot and shred it anyways. I'm gonna wash my hands and then we'll season this up. 1 pack of ranch seasoning mix, a pack of brown gravy mix, or you can use the au jus. I just only have brown gravy and I think it tastes the same either way. 6 tablespoons of the pepper juice. And then all of the peppers. We love the peppers. And if you love the banana pepper seasoning, you can just add the whole thing. Also adding about a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. And then give that a good mix. And if you're doing it directly in the freezer bag, you don't have to mix it up or anything. You can just toss everything in, freeze it, and then it's gonna cook together in the crock pot. I'm actually sharing one of these bags with my son. Okay, everything's mixed well. Grab your freezer bags. I'm using a vacuum sealer, but if you're using gallon Ziploc bags, it works just as good. Just make sure to squeeze all the air out. I'm just gonna divide the chicken as evenly as I can. I'm just gonna add the vegetables with the juice to each bag. I'm gonna go get the air out of these and seal them, and I'll come back and show you what they look like. We're all done. 2 bags of Mississippi chicken ready to go in the freezer for an easy weeknight meal. Stick this in your freezer, and when you're ready to cook it, thaw it overnight in the refrigerator. And then the next day, all you have to do is add a 1/2 stick of butter to your crock pot with your meal and cook on low in your crock pot for 4 to 5 hours or on high for 2 to 3 hours.